Have you ever wanted to create this kind of scroll spy effect where you have the sidebar and you might have some long form content, but as you scroll through it, the section that you're in lights up or highlights or shows you some kind of visual indicator? Well, now you can do this with two lines of very easy to progressively enhance CSS. I'm going to show you how you can do it. The feature that I want to talk about here is called Scroll Target Group. And what you have to do is first set up your page. So you might have this list of links, and these are all anchor links or jump links that take you to different sections of your UI. So we have section 1, 2, and 3. And then we have these IDs throughout our article here. I'm using them at every single header, but these could be divs, they could be other elements. And this is what's indicating where to move to as I click through these anchor links. Now what we have to do is essentially say that we want these anchor links to be treated like markers for the UI. So what we can use is scroll target group auto. And now the browser is going to treat these links like they are scroll markers. And if you're familiar with the CSS carousel API, you might be familiar with the scroll marker pseudo element. So this gives a lot more control in how we are styling scroll markers. You can create carousels with the scroll target group and bringing your own markers. So these are essentially going to be our markers on the page. So now that we have set that up, we need to then apply the styles. And because this is like a scroll marker, we can use target current and apply this pseudo class to do the styling. So let's say we want the color to be red when that section is active or currently in the scroll. Now section 1 you see is red. So if I scroll down to section 2, now that lights up and is red. Section 3, now this one lights up and is red. And the jump links still work. We're just getting those styles applied, and you can do any styling that you want here. You have a lot more control because it's not just a pseudo element, it is a full-fledged HTML element. What's really cool about this is it is very easy to progressively enhance, as I mentioned earlier, and that's because scroll target group, when unsupported, is just going to be ignored. So that means that you'll get an effect like this where we won't get the styles applied. Target current will also be ignored if scroll target group is ignored by the browser in unsupported browsers. You'll still get your jump links, you just won't get those styles that show a visual indicator of where you are in the UI. So it's that easy to add these two lines of code and get these scroll spy effects. I just wrote a blog post about this, which I'll link in the video notes, and you can explore some demos there and see it yourself. I think it's a really cool feature. I think it kind of flew under the radar. It's landing in Chrome 140, which is stable next month, but I hope to see this roll out across browsers as carousel APIs land. It's sort of a part of that larger set of spec work. So I hope you check it out.